everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. And today I know I am going to be trying to attempt to make a rosette tutorial. Now I've already made this tutorial a few months back, but there's a little twist to this one. Now I know a lot of you guys have seen so many of these tutorials and yeah. So it might not be interesting, it might be fun, to see something different in a way. So anyways, these are my last of my crepe papers. Yay! I'm almost finished with these. I gotta go and look for some more when I get a chance. But anyways, so I wanted to show you guys, these are the rosettes that I was making when I started making rosettes, right? So fairly common, basic rosettes, same as the ones you've seen, right? Here's some of the other ones. These are some of the old ones I have here stored away. So anyways, let me show you how I've not totally improved, but this is a little upgrade of my rosettes. So they're a little thicker, and as you can see, a little better, I think, for me, from what it was before. Anyways, so I wanted to show you these. I still can't get the hang of, I've seen some of the Instagrams, some of the ladies that sell the rosettes, really beautiful. I don't know how they do the perfect, I think they sew around here to the sewing method or the needle and thread method, and they do what is it, a diamond dust on the edge. Looks so beautiful, and you could probably do that with these, but theirs are so perfect, so I don't know how they're doing it. Oh my gosh, if they're doing the needle and thread, awesome. I tried it, epic failure. I cannot get it, no way. Anyways, so let me go ahead and show you how I ended up coming upon these. So anyways, I was thinking, or one day I was doing these and I was like, God, these are a little too flat. I don't know, I like them and everything, but they're a little too flat. I saw those on Instagram, the ones on Instagram, and I thought, I'm like, oh, let me try it out. So how did I go about doing that? Anyways, let me try with the pink. Let me go ahead and just show you. Basically, you measure a piece of streamer, and then you fold it in half, and then it's just estimate. I don't have an basically I don't have like measuring or anything, but this is a little over 12. Let me see, 12, oops, 12 plus 3, so that's about 15 inches. Let me see where my scissors are at. So I just go ahead and cut right here. So, right. So many of you guys know I use this method. This is the only method that works for me. And it is doing your rosettes and using your finger as a guiding. So basically half of your nail is what you're going to be using to guide it right here. So you see how I am doing half the nail right there, and hold it back here. And then you go another step, hold it like that. There you go. And I am so used to doing these a little fast. Once you start getting used to doing these, you kind of tend to do them pretty fast. So there you go. Excuse my nails are always messy. I don't have like the manicure nails. Yeah, I'm not that girly. No, I'm not that girly. I'm more of a, yeah, let's get going and let's go. And there you go. Oh, yay. It came out perfect, or my perfectness. And then fix it a little bit if you want. And then I've tried it with 3 layers. And to be honest with you, I didn't like that. I didn't like the 3-layer part because it was a little bit more thicker. And I couldn't staple it down. It was really hard. So you go ahead and do that, and do that, and then So there you go, you see. And then if you need to do any fixings, just go ahead and just go around. You don't try to overdo it. Excuse me. Sorry, I gotta fix this before it gets in my way. And of course, so there you go. Just fix it a little bit. Don't try to, you know, go around all around with the scissors. Just eyeball it. Just look at any imperfections and cut those imperfections out. Oh my goodness. As you guys know, I can never talk correctly. Yeah, I'm always stuttering, trying to talk faster than what my brain just tells me. So there you go. What do you guys think? As you guys know, like I said, I mean, this is a little bit more fuller, I think, compared to my previous ones. I like this one better, and it's the same method as before. And there you go. And all you do is just put your middle part, and you got your rosettes done. And yay! So hopefully you guys try this out. Let me know if you guys did. Tag me if you guys did. So I would love to see how you guys came up with this. I still have to figure out how they do the diamond dust part here, and probably use Mod Podge and the diamond dust, and that's it. I'm sure that's how it goes. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.